I'm Becky Byers and I work in Sales and Marketing Administration. I like technical, so I work with a lot of spreadsheets. I get to enjoy seeing the orders come in and work with the RSMs, the sales guys, and help with that aspect. So I'm on the front end of the sales and marketing. Women do a lot of things better than men, as in they get to see things from a different point of view. Their mind works a little bit differently. They love to multitask. Most women are able to do that a lot better than men, and that's not a slam on men. That's just the way that we're made. When in manufacturing, there's a lot of, like out on the floor, you don't see a lot of women doing that kind of work, but nowadays women like to do more hands-on and get their hands dirty and do all the hard work more than doing secretary work like you used to see in the past. So it's good to see that the world is opening their eyes to women in manufacturing. Swartz is a great place to work. People here are friendly. It's a very family-oriented place. They do care about their employees here. Pay here is great. Benefits are great. It's a great opportunity. Anybody should come and work at Swartz.